What's up guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And today I'm really excited. It's been months since I lost the case for my Galaxy Buds Plus. Got the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. We're gonna make this intro nice and quick, guys. These are the update to the Plus ones that I had last year. We've got two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise canceling, 5 to 18 hour battery, and IPX7 waterproofing. The 5 to 18 hour battery life, I actually got really good battery life with the Plus. It actually boasted about 10 hours, and I would get about 8 using them, so I was quite surprised when Samsung launched these last year. I don't know why the hell you would make a new model with less battery life. Apparently they needed to make them lighter, but with that being said, they are one of the most popular earbuds on the market right now. So I'm going to go over very quickly what comes inside the box, guys, test them out, and I'm going to give you my first impressions of actually using these Galaxy Buds Pro, guys. Pretty nice packaging, but the tape does do damage when you take it off. Open it up here. This is just basically telling you to turn it to kind of lock it into your ear canal. The earbuds are in a very, very tiny box. So we've got a USB-C cable of seemingly high quality. Nothing else is in the box. We've got the package here, and this is like wax paper. I don't know what the point of that is. High quality case, guys, I gotta say. I really like it. And oh my god, they are very, very purple. The inside, this is smooth plastic. I know it looks like it might be rubberized. It is not. And these are very, very different looking than the last iteration. Earbud itself is shiny on the outside. And this is going to be the right earbud. That's going to be the prongs to charge it. And that is a sensor for your ear to be able to tell when it's in. As you can see, it's actually shaped like an ear canal. So that is pretty cool. So yep, you're going to want to make sure those are locked in. Okay guys, I can already see I'm going to actually need a bigger earbud because these are already falling out of my ear. They have a little notch, so you kind of have to fit it over the notch. So there is a little bit of mesh right inside the headphone right there. And that is going to protect it from debris. I will come back and let you guys know what I think. What's up guys, we're back. Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and we took a look at the Buds Pro, the Galaxy Buds Pro. Fantastic product design. They look great. Because they took away the flange, redesigned the earbud the way that it sits in the ear. You still have to put it in, turn it in so it kind of sits in your ear. And it works pretty well. I mean, you're gonna have to adjust them every so often just because that flange is not there. Even with the flange, I was still adjusting them. So that can be seen as a slight con. And my second nitpick is going to be the battery life. It is pretty horrible for me coming from the Buds Plus. What I was using last time, I was getting about 7 to 9 hours on one charge. The case can get that much, but these earbuds are lasting 3.5 hours for me with active noise cancellation. And I usually work 12 to 14 hours on my busy days. I want to be able to use the headphones continuously as long as I can. Luckily, Samsung does have fast charging, so it kind of alleviates some of the discomfort of using a different peer while they charge. The battery life definitely isn't great, and I don't understand why you would reiterate a product and then lower the battery life. For me, the Plus, they had so much better battery life, and I'm really gonna have to come back after a long-term review because it's only going to degrade over time. So I'm really worried that these might go down to 2 or 3 hours after a long time using these, and that would really just be pitiful, guys. I've got to say, there's so much good about these headphones, the way they look, the way they fit in your ear, the touch controls, the voice controls, the text message readouts, the active noise cancellation is amazing. Sound quality is awesome. This is like a dual 3D sound earbud. So the sound is really top notch. The earbuds sound really good with music as well as talk. The active noise cancellation is not as good as the Plus version. So it kind of boggles my mind a little bit. I'm not saying they're not a good product. If I could get them for $150 or $100, I think it's a great deal. I would certainly use these for the gym. I would certainly use them out and about, use them for phone calls or for anything that you would need wireless earbuds for. They're excellent. They never really disconnect on you. You never really have some of the problems that you would have with the cheaper ones. Unfortunately, these are a lot worse than the Plus in my opinion. So take that for what it is, guys. I still think it's a great product, and for around $100 to $150, I would definitely use them, and I'm going to continue to use them. And I really need that longer battery life, so I'm going to keep my eyes open. But Samsung, I really don't know what's going on there. They seem to be going more in line with Apple and just worrying about how the product looks and how it appeals to people rather than the functionality and actually what the customer wants. And that's a little bit upsetting to me, guys, but I still love the product and I'll be happy to use them for the coming future. But that was my opinions on it, guys. If you have any yourself, drop them down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe because it greatly helps the channel out. That's really all I got to say about these, guys. Like I said, I wanted them to be perfect. Nothing's perfect, but there are a lot of disappointments for me using these earbuds. I'm Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and until next week, I'm out. Peace.